Hi, Kathy. You know what? Actually, yeah, there's a couple things you can do. I'm gonna start doing this for like all the templates, but I didn't want to muck with the Bootstrap style sheet in case anybody ever replaced it. But I've never really had anybody do that yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make my modifications directly to this thing. But if you open this thing up here, the bootstrap.css, do a Control F, and then look for dot container. Okay, and the current page, and find next. Did I not spell it right or what? Oh, no dot, sorry, just container. Oh, there it is. Anyways, go down the line 581 or so. See the padding right, padding left, change it to 0. No, don't change it to 0. Down here, this guy right here. See this width of 750? Change this to 100%. And the same with this 970 here. 100%. That's the dumbest thing I ever saw. That's the only thing I don't get with Bootstrap, why they do that. If there's a min width, you don't need to specify an actual fixed width because you want to use 100% of the browser screen. So that's sort of step number one. And then what will happen, let me just see if I can play around with this in Firebug or something. And that's weird because this is what you should be seeing in a tablet. This is set to the resolution for an iPad. So it's supposed to kick over because nobody has like down where it's like this. I'm not overly super worried because there's no resolutions at this point of like 800. Nobody's using that anymore. So when we get down to the 768, it's supposed to kick right over like this here. But you said you're seeing it more like probably something like this here. But do the quick change I had there that I showed you. Okay, the other thing is this Facebook thing. We want to do the search and we want to have it placed directly to the right here as well. So let's go with share. What you're seeing there, that animation, that's the stretching effect. Container. I didn't think about that. Suggesting it. So slap the forehead. Google Hover. See this width of 75%? Get rid of this. There you go. That'll stop it from bouncing back and forth. And then I'm going to make one more recommendation here just to tighten things up a little bit. Oh yeah, the positioning of that there. Top, I'd change the top positioning to like 20. Right, 0, or make it negative like 50 or something like that, just to try it out. The other thing I need to suggest is, scroll on up, I know there's a lot of information coming this way. Okay, see the menu here? See the right margin? Change that to like 50 or 0. Okay, and that'll move the menu over a bit. And there's one other change I'm going to get you to take a look at. So give me half a second here to figure it out. I'm going to send you this style update right here, and it just adjusts the width of the menu buttons a little bit here, just so they're not quite as wide. And that'll give you that extra few pixels to, make sure it fits. But I'm not excuse me. Still, it should have been kicking over, but we'll try these things out anyways. So I'm going to give you this here. You can just copy it and copy it into your shared.css, somewhere in the line 178 region.